Hey there, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save your email as a template in Mailchimp. If you find yourself sending out similar emails or you just want to save time on your next campaign, learning how to create and save templates is a huge game changer. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to store your beautifully designed emails and reuse them whenever you need, without having to start from scratch every single time. So let's dive right in and make your email marketing workflow a whole lot smoother. Alright, so first things first, go ahead and open up Mailchimp and head straight to your email design. This could be an email you've already created or maybe one you're working on right now. If you've already got the email looking exactly how you want it with your logo, your color scheme, all your formatting, that's perfect. Think of this as your master copy that you want to be able to use again and again. If you're not quite finished designing, you can still follow along. Just remember that any changes you make to this design before saving will carry over to your template. Once you're inside your email design, take a look near the top right corner for the Save and Exit button. But instead of clicking directly on it, notice there's a little drop-down arrow right next to that button. This small arrow is really easy to miss, but trust me, it's what we need right now. Go ahead and click on that arrow. What you'll see next are a few different options, but the one we're after is Save as Template. Click on that and you're just about there. Now you'll be prompted to type in a name for your template. This might seem like a tiny step, but giving your template a clear, descriptive name will really save you confusion down the road, especially if you plan on making several templates. Maybe call it Monthly Newsletter Template, Holiday Promo Draft, or even something like Client Welcome Email. Be specific enough that your future self will immediately recognize what it is. Take a moment here to think about it. It's totally fine to keep it simple but make it meaningful. Once you've entered a name, simply hit Save. That's it. Mailchimp will tuck your template away, so the next time you're creating a campaign, you can pull it up instantly and jump right into editing. No need to recreate your design elements from scratch. It's a huge time saver, especially if you're sending emails frequently. And just in case you're wondering, saving as a template doesn't affect your original email at all. Your template is like a blueprint. Use it as often as you like, update it for specific occasions, and your original design stays perfectly safe. So there you have it. In just a few quick steps, you've created a reusable template in Mailchimp. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about templates or anything else Mailchimp related, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials to make your digital marketing life easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.